guys, so what you're gonna need is the battery is a 40-volt lithium HP 6 amp ports, and it's a really nice battery, so you're gonna need that. And I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. You're gonna open up this plastic cage and hold it with your other hand, and then you're gonna put this in here and get it through the groove like this, and you hear a clicking noise, and that indicates that you have successfully put it in. So yeah, and then you're gonna close this, make sure everything's on, and now let me show you how to turn it on. This is the important part of today's video, and in this part I'm going to be showing you how to turn on the lawnmower and give you some tricks and tips on how to use it. Alright, so how you're going to turn it on is, you see, there's this thing you pull down here, this bar, which indicates that the electricity flows through. And then you're going to press this button, and it is already on. It's already on. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's already on. And it's a really nice mower. So yeah.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich. Throw that